want this. Let's start the tutorial. First, add clips when beats start. Like in my case, I add 13 clips total. It does not matter. Your clip is 2 seconds long or 1 second. Make 13 clips total. After that, set your clips. Like, make all clips in the center. Then select your clip, go to speed, and reduce its speed to 0.5x. If you have Pro, select better quality also. Then we will do this with all the clips. Now we are doing the exact same steps with the second clip. Now for third clip, do same steps. Now for fourth clip, we will reduce its speed to 0.3x because we need minimum 1.8 seconds clip. We will reduce the speed every clip that comes after beat drop. Please subscribe my channel so I can keep uploading my videos. I need 3,600 watch time hours to monetize my channel. I hope you will support me, guys. After reducing speed of every clip, your video will look like this. Then export your video in the full high quality. Now click back button. Now go to the CAPCUT project page. Now duplicate your project. Go to the copy project. And start deleting your slow speed clips. Now open new project and import your exported video. Now this is the most important thing to make this edit. Start cutting your slow speed clips individually. First, cut your first beat drop clip. Make it to 1.8 seconds. After that, go to the speed, click curve, then remove middle 3 dots, and make first dot 10x. Then add 2 keyframes, one at start and one at end. Zoom the second keyframe, and then go to the graphs and select cube out, and then export this clip in high quality. After exporting, click back option, undo all the changes you made, now you will do exact same step for the second clip and then export it. I am increasing the speed of the tutorial because you literally just need to do these exact same steps with all the slow speed 13 clips. After doing this, go to the copy project where you deleted the slow speed clips. Now we will learn to make reverse trend transition. Import the first clip you exported before. Now duplicate the clip and then click reverse on duplicated clip. Here your reverse transition is almost ready. Now you will do same exact steps for all the other 13 clips. Import clip, then duplicate clip, then add reverse on duplicated clip. Now we will arrange clips according to the beats. Remove the part of the clip that is like outside the beat. Do this with every clip. Now we will learn shake effect, go to effects, add shake effect, arrange. It add 3 keyframes, make settings like me. Duplicate shake effect one more time. Now duplicate again and replace this with oblique blur. Add 3 keyframes also on oblique blur. Make settings like me and then duplicate. Make shake for some other clips.